Welcome to NiftyHMS. Today we are going to see how you can download the Osteopathic Assessment Form for completely free. Yes, completely free. Let's check it out. So, you need to copy paste the URL that's given in the description or type the URL that you can see on the screen on your browser. So once you type in the URL in the browser, you will land on a NiftyHMS page. Once you land there, you can go to resources, free downloads, and then find the osteopath icon. There you will see the different languages that you can select as per your choice. And once you land on the page, click on the PDF icon. You need to enter a valid email address and your name to download the PDF for the osteopathic assessment form. Make sure you enter the valid email address because we're going to send you the PDF in the email. So before that, it will ask you to check the email inbox. So here we have the email from NiftyHMS. You're just going to click on please confirm your email address link, and that will open up the osteopathic assessment form. You can download this form or print this form, and this can be helpful for your day-to-day osteopathic practice as well. Do subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching the video today. Thank you.